The 5 secret vegetables that destroy cancer and burn fat in just 30 days. Did you know that there is an American doctor revolutionizing medicine with discoveries about food? Is it possible that common vegetables in your supermarket have the power to kill cancer cells? Why don't hospitals release this information that could save millions of lives? My name is Dr. William Lee, a physician and researcher recognized worldwide for my studies on angiogenesis. For more than 20 years, I have dedicated my life to discovering how natural foods can fight deadly diseases. My research resulted in 2 books that became international bestsellers. The discovery I'm about to share could change your life forever. Today, I'm going to reveal the 5 most powerful vegetables that exist in nature. These foods have bioactive compounds capable of destroying cancer cells. They also speed up your metabolism naturally and safely. Get ready to uncover secrets that can protect your family from serious illness. Let's get started. The medical secret that can save your life today. Traditional medicine treats diseases after they manifest in your body, but what if there was a way to prevent cancer and obesity naturally? For decades, I have studied a process called angiogenesis that happens inside you. This mechanism controls how new blood vessels form in your body. When you're healthy, angiogenesis works perfectly to heal wounds. It helps in the development of tissues and the repair of damaged organs. Your body maintains a perfect balance between factors that stimulate and inhibit this process. But when cancer cells appear, everything changes drastically in your body. Malignant tumors completely rely on angiogenesis to survive and spread. Cancer cells release special molecules called vascular endothelial growth factors. These chemical signals force your body to create a network of blood vessels feeding the tumor. New vessels carry oxygen and nutrients directly to malignant cells. This allows tumors to grow rapidly and spread to other organs. The process involves a complex interaction between tumor cells and cells in your circulatory system. For years, I have researched how to break this deadly cycle using natural foods. I have found that certain vegetables contain compounds that block pathological angiogenesis. These foods literally cut off the blood supply of cancerous tumors. At the same time, they speed up your metabolism, helping you burn body fat. Nature has given us the most powerful tools against deadly diseases. But how exactly do these compounds destroy cancer cells without affecting healthy cells? This mysterious compound destroys tumors at the root. Antioxidants are molecules that protect your cells from destructive oxidative damage. Free radicals constantly attack your cells, causing inflammation and genetic mutations. These unstable molecules can turn normal cells into dangerous cancer cells. Antioxidants neutralize free radicals before they cause irreversible damage to your DNA. But some specific antioxidants have even more impressive anti-cancer properties. Compounds such as sulforaphane and anthocyanins directly attack tumor cells that have already formed. They induce a process called apoptosis that forces cancer cells to self-destruct. Imagine malignant cells receiving an internal command to commit cellular suicide. At the same time, these compounds block signals that tumors send to form new blood vessels. Without adequate blood supply, cancer cells literally starve. This dual process of nutritional destruction and blockage is devastating for tumors. Antioxidants also reduce chronic inflammation that fuels the growth of malignant cells. Scientific studies show that people with diets rich in antioxidants have a lower risk of cancer. Populations that regularly consume cruciferous vegetables have lower rates of malignant tumors. The concentration of these compounds varies drastically between different types of vegetables. Some foods contain exceptional amounts of these molecular warriors against cancer. Cooking temperature and preparation methods also affect the potency of these compounds. Knowing which vegetables are most powerful can be the difference between health and disease. But what would be the first vegetable you should immediately include in your diet? 1. The orange vegetable that silently kills cancer. Carrots are much more than a simple orange vegetable found in any supermarket. My research has revealed that carrots contain unique compounds with extraordinary anti-cancer properties. Falcarinol and falcarindiol are natural substances present in high concentration in carrots. These compounds have been tested extensively in the laboratory against various types of cancer cells. Results have shown that they can significantly inhibit the growth of malignant tumors. Falcarinol directly interferes with the processes that cancer cells use to multiply. This natural substance blocks metabolic pathways essential for tumor cell survival. Epidemiological studies have followed thousands of people for decades, observing their eating habits. Individuals who consumed carrots regularly had significantly lower rates of colorectal cancer. Carrots are also rich in beta-carotene that your body converts into vitamin A. This vitamin is essential for keeping your immune system functioning properly against anomalous cells. In addition to the anti-cancer properties, carrots are excellent for burning body fat. They are extremely low in calories, but high in soluble and insoluble fiber. Fiber promotes a feeling of satiety, reducing your hunger and controlling food impulses. They also improve intestinal function and help regulate blood sugar levels. Stable blood sugar prevents insulin spikes that favor abdominal fat accumulation. Raw carrots preserve their bioactive compounds better than carrots cooked at a high temperature. But light cooking can increase bioavailability of some beneficial carotenoids. What deadly secret is hidden in the most common vegetable on our tables? 2. The deadly secret hidden in ordinary cabbage. Cabbage belongs to the cruciferous family, known for nature's most potent anti-cancer compounds. This humble vegetable contains sulforaphane, a substance that has revolutionized our understanding of cancer prevention. Sulforaphane is a sulfur compound that forms when you chew or cut fresh cabbage. Natural enzymes present in the vegetable convert glucosinolates into active sulforaphane in your body. This chemical transformation literally happens in your mouth while you chew cabbage. Sulforaphane has multiple mechanisms of action against developing cancer cells. First, it activates genes responsible for producing detoxification enzymes in your liver. These enzymes neutralize carcinogenic substances before they damage your genetic material. Second, sulforaphane induces apoptosis by forcing cancer cells to self-destruct programmatically. Third, it blocks angiogenesis, preventing tumors from developing adequate blood supply. Clinical studies have shown that sulforaphane is effective against breast, prostate, lung, and colon cancers. Research from Johns Hopkins University has shown that women consuming cruciferous foods regularly have 50% less risk of breast cancer. Men who eat cabbage weekly have 40% fewer cases of prostate cancer. Cabbage is also exceptional for speeding up weight loss through multiple natural mechanisms. High fiber content promotes prolonged satiety by reducing the total amount of calories consumed. Sulfur compounds stimulate hepatic metabolism by increasing the burning of stored fats. Red cabbage contains additional anthocyanins that further enhance its antioxidant effects. Fermentation of cabbage in sauerkraut multiplies concentration of beneficial probiotics for its digestion. But is there a green vegetable that surpasses even the mighty cabbage in anti-cancer properties? 3. Why spinach is the secret weapon against tumors. Spinach is considered one of the most nutritionally dense vegetables available in nature. Dark leafy greens contain exceptional concentrations of bioactive compounds with medicinal properties. My research has identified that spinach has natural nitrogen molecules absorbed directly from the soil. These nitrogenous molecules have unique anti-angiogenic properties against tumor vessel formation. Flavonoids such as quercetin and kaempferol present in spinach attack cancer cells through multiple pathways. These compounds easily cross the blood-brain barrier, even protecting your brain from tumors. Carotenoids like lutein and zeaxanthin not only protect your eyesight, but fight malignant cells. Spinach also contains natural folate essential for proper repair of your cellular DNA. Folate deficiency dramatically increases risk of genetic mutations that lead to cancer. Population studies show that regular consumption of spinach reduces the risk of colorectal cancer by 30%. Protection is even greater against tumors of the digestive tract due to direct contact of the compounds. For fat-burning spinach offers unique advantages compared to other leafy vegetables. Thylakoids present in the leaves slow down the digestion of fats, increasing the feeling of satiety. This property reduces cravings for sugary and fatty foods between main meals. Abundant magnesium in spinach is an essential cofactor for more than 300 metabolic enzymatic reactions. Magnesium deficiency slows down metabolism and hinders efficient burning of stored calories. Spinach's natural nitrate improves mitochondrial efficiency by increasing cellular energy production. More efficient mitochondria burn fat faster during exercise and rest. But how exactly does our body burn fat naturally and safely? 4. The shocking discovery about fat burning. Fat burning is a complex metabolic process that constantly happens in your cells. Mitochondria are cell organelles responsible for converting stored fat into usable energy. This process, called beta oxidation, breaks down fatty acids into smaller molecules releasing energy. Certain plant compounds can significantly accelerate this natural fat burning. Soluble fibers ferment in your gut to produce beneficial short-chain fatty acids. These acids signal your body to increase metabolism and burn more calories. Thermogenic compounds present in spicy vegetables raise body temperature slightly. Your body spends extra energy to maintain normal temperature, resulting in greater caloric burning. Plant proteins require more energy for digestion compared to simple carbohydrates. This thermic effect of food can increase caloric expenditure by up to 20%. Antioxidants reduce inflammation that interferes with the proper functioning of metabolic hormones. Insulin works best when inflammation is controlled, allowing better utilization of fats. Chromium present in green vegetables improves insulin sensitivity by facilitating abdominal fat burning. Water-rich vegetables take up space in the stomach, promoting satiety with few calories. Insoluble fibers accelerate intestinal transit, reducing the absorption of unnecessary calories. Bitter compounds stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, improving nutrient metabolism. Some vegetables contain compounds that mimic intermittent fasting's effects on your metabolism. These compounds activate metabolic pathways that normally only function during periods without eating. What would then be the most surprising vegetable with properties that defy everything we know? 5. Purple potatoes, the superfood that doctors hide. Purple potatoes are one of the most underrated foods with scientifically documented anti-cancer properties. Intense purple color indicates the presence of anthocyanins, extremely potent antioxidant compounds against malignant cells. These same substances give color to blueberries, acai, and other globally recognized superfoods. Pennsylvania State University has conducted groundbreaking studies on purple potatoes against colorectal cancer. Researchers have found that anthocyanins in purple potatoes are just as effective as anti-inflammatory medications. Purple potatoes can kill cancer stem cells that are the most resistant to conventional treatments. Tumor stem cells are responsible for recurrences and metastases that make cancer deadly. Anthocyanins specifically attack these cells, preventing tumors from regenerating after treatments. Studies have shown that purple potato extracts reduce tumor growth by up to 80%. Bioactive compounds remain stable even after cooking, unlike many other antioxidants. This means that you get anti-cancer benefits regardless of how you prepare purple potatoes. For fat-burning purple potatoes offer unique advantage through resistant starch. Resistant starch is not digested in the small intestine, functioning as prebiotic fiber. Beneficial bacteria ferment this starch by producing compounds that speed up fat metabolism. Resistant starch also improves insulin sensitivity by preventing abdominal fat buildup. Boiled and cooled purple potatoes contain even more resistant starch than freshly cooked potatoes. This process of starch retrogradation multiplies the metabolic benefits of the food. Glycemic index of purple potatoes is lower than regular potatoes, causing lower sugar peak. Proper glycemic control is critical to keeping the body in fat-burning mode. Purple potatoes also provide potassium essential for proper muscle function during exercise. But is there still one vegetable that surpasses all others in natural healing power? 6. Broccoli, the vegetable that is worth more than expensive medicine. Broccoli is considered the king of anti-cancer vegetables by the international scientific community. In addition to sulforaphane, broccoli contains dozens of other bioactive compounds with medicinal properties. Isothiocyanates present in broccoli activate phase 2 enzymes responsible for liver detoxification. These enzymes neutralize environmental carcinogens before they cause mutations in your DNA. Indole 3-carbinol modulates estrogen metabolism, reducing risk of hormone-dependent cancers. The stalk of broccoli contains twice as much sulforaphane compared to the flowers we normally consume. Most people discard stalks by wasting the most nutritious part of the vegetable. Stalks can be chopped and added to soups, juices, or sautéed for maximum nutritional enjoyment. Vitamin K present in broccoli is essential for bone health and proper blood clotting. Vitamin C in abundance strengthens immune system, helping body fight anomalous cells naturally. Folate protects against neural tube defects and maintains the integrity of cellular genetic material. Chromium improves carbohydrate metabolism, preventing insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes. For fat burning, broccoli offers fiber that promotes the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Healthy microbiome is directly related to efficient metabolism and body weight control. Sulfur compounds stimulate production of glutathione, the most powerful antioxidant produced by your body. Glutathione protects mitochondria, allowing them to burn fat with maximum energy efficiency. Raw broccoli preserves thermosensitive compounds better, but light cooking can increase bioavailability. Steam for 3 to 4 minutes maintains crispy texture and preserves most essential nutrients. How can you combine all of these powerful vegetables into an effective eating strategy? The secret protocol to combine these powers. Consuming these 5 vegetables alone already offers significant benefits against cancer and obesity. But strategically combining these foods exponentially enhances their natural therapeutic effects. Nutritional synergy happens when compounds from different foods work together to amplify benefits. I recommend consuming at least 3 of these vegetables daily at different meals. Breakfast can include green juice with spinach, carrots, and some young broccoli leaves. Chewing cruciferous vegetables thoroughly activates enzymes that convert precursors into active anti-cancer compounds. Lunch should contain colorful salad with red cabbage, grated carrots, and fresh spinach. Spices such as garlic and onion enhance the absorption of sulfur compounds from cruciferous vegetables. Dinner can include braised broccoli. Steaming preserves nutrients better compared to boiling, which dissolves water-soluble compounds. Fermentation of cabbage in sauerkraut multiplies probiotics and increases bioavailability of vitamins. Fresh juices concentrate nutrients but eliminate fiber that is important for intestinal health and satiety. Alternating between raw and cooked consumption maximizes the use of different types of compounds. Some nutrients are better absorbed raw, while others require cooking for proper release. Freezing can preserve nutrients for months by keeping vegetables available year-round. Organic is preferable, but conventional vegetables still offer significant health benefits. Minimum effective amount is 1 cup of each vegetable per day, distributed between meals. People with a family history of cancer may benefit from larger amounts under medical guidance. What incredible transformation can you expect by following this natural prevention protocol? This journey of scientific discovery has taught me that nature has already given us everything we need for health. Simple, affordable vegetables contain more powerful drugs than any pharmaceutical lab. Every meal is an opportunity to nourish your body with compounds that fight deadly diseases. Prevention through food is infinitely more effective than treatment after established disease. Your genes don't determine your fate, but your daily food choices do. Millions of people suffer needlessly because they are unaware of the healing power of natural foods. You now possess knowledge that can protect your family for generations to come. Start today by including at least 1 of these vegetables in every main meal. Notice how your body responds with more energy, disposition, and natural vitality. Remember that small, consistent changes produce extraordinary results over time. Share this knowledge with loved ones because health is the most valuable gift there is. Always consult a qualified healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet, especially if you have pre-existing medical conditions or take medications regularly. Nature has given us these healing gifts, and it is up to us to harness them wisely, responsibly. Your health is literally in your hands with every food choice you make. Start now and transform your life through the extraordinary power of these 5 miracle vegetables. Healthy and prosperous future awaits you on the other side of this simple yet powerful decision. Believe in the healing potential that exists within you and allow these foods to awaken.